Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and you are with me for Tuesday Tip. If you are like me, when you get a cake with rolling fondant on top of it, I remove the fondant before I eat the cake. I discovered from a friend of mine a fondant made with marshmallow and I love that fondant. Let me show you how to do it. I have 2 ounces of marshmallow and half tablespoon of water, and I'm going to put that on a microwave. Few seconds. You don't want the marshmallow to cook. Marshmallow has started melting. I'm going to add another maybe 30 seconds more. It's too bad I don't know any marshmallow dance, otherwise I will do it. Pretty much melted. I'm going to add my powdered sugar. That was maybe a cup of powdered sugar on top of it. Add a tiny bit of water. A bit of cooking spray on the table, on my hand. Roll it as you want and cover your cake. Let's say that's a little cake, you can put that on top and then shape it, cut it, and here you go. Rolling fondant made with marshmallow. I hope that helped.